Welcome to 2-minute short and crisp algo trade training from Market Secrets. If you are interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, use the link in the description to join our ATP program. In this episode, we are going to learn how to parse and get the last traded price. So in the last episode, we have seen how to get the price quote of a stock. We are going to parse that particular response in this episode, get the last traded price of this particular stock. So let's run the current code. So now I'm getting the last traded price of Reliance, but it has so many values. So we need to parse and get only the last traded price of this particular stock. So let's see how to go about it. Okay, so my last traded price, that is LTP, is equal to. So I'm creating another variable, and I'm going to use the price code which is holding the response from the API. So I'm using the price code and I'm going into this response. Okay, if you look at this particular response, right, so you have first it's a JSON response, and first it starts with success. Okay, so that's the parent tag. Okay, so I'm going to use success. So inside the success there is an array. Okay, so and this array has just one element, so it's a template. So array index always starts with 0, so I'm going to give 0 here. So I'm going into this bracket now. So you have to go step by step. Okay, so into every level, and then you need to get to the exact data that you need. Now I got into this level, and another bracket starts, which indicates another set of tags. So inside this I need the last price data. Okay, so I'm taking that particular last price attribute and I'm passing it here. So now if I print my last traded price, right, I should get the exact last traded price of the Reliance. So this is how we need to parse the JSON response and get the exact value we need. So if you look at here, right, so last price was this thing, and now I'm able to store it in a separate variable and print it here. So this is critical for the further setups, because most of the strategies depends on the current market price of the particular stock. So we always need this. Okay, so you would see this in almost all my scripts. Okay, this is the base for almost all my scripts, so this is very critical. So like this, right, you can try to extract the upper circuit value, lower circuit value, so things like that, right, you can try it and post it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Hit like, share and subscribe buttons if you want to stay in touch with us. Thanks.